In manufacturing, we sometimes generate byproducts during production. These are typically scrap materials, but they may also include semi-finished parts that can be reused. When subcontracting production, if our contract terms require the return of byproducts from the subcontractor, we must properly record and receipt these materials in our system. Let's review how to process the receipt of these byproducts in our application. To start receiving byproduct material from your subcontractor, first, click on our Add button. Next, select the subcontractor from the displayed list. Enter challan number and date from subcontractor document. Then, select byproduct part information. The system will automatically populate all necessary details and calculate the minimum quantity you can receive. Now, enter your quantity mention on challan document or actual receiving. Please ensure this quantity should less than or equal to the minimum quantity. In Grid, you will see a list of all open receipts that will be cleared against this transaction. If receipt balance quantity greater than the receipt requires, then you will see the remained quantity in balance cell. Please note, we are receiving byproduct, so inventory rate will be from current inventory rate or from item master default inventory rate if not specified. Finally, once you have reviewed all the information and it is correct, tap Save. If all validations are successful, the system will generate your byproduct material receipt. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.